Wayne again with Right Property Group. Wanted to touch on a couple of things regarding that AC filter change. We have our unit here, and if you look, of course I put the filter in the bottom, but you'll see that there's another grate here, okay, that I could slide open these notches, and if you look, there's currently no filter here. That is okay. We have a filter that is up in the unit, and that's where it's going to be pulling the most air. So if we were to put a filter here and here, that would be too restrictive on the airflow and your unit wouldn't work as well. So that is okay. This unit was actually replaced. This is a newer system. The original system, this is where you would have put the filter, but we only need one filter in here. The other side of it is to be able to replace an AC filter. It's either in a grate that opens like this or goes in the unit. If you have to replace screws and take screws off of a grill to put a filter in, you're putting it in the wrong place. Filters only go where they're easily accessible by either pulling these tabs or going to the unit. All right, next step. If I really want the unit to run efficiently, as a precaution, every 6 months or so, you take your car and you get an oil change. I want to have you step around here. One of the things that we recommend doing is clearing out your AC condensate drain line. And just very quickly, you see how these pipes come out of the AC and run out? Every once in a while, probably like every 6 months, you want to take a funnel and some good old-fashioned bleach, open it up, and simply just pour a little bit down it. Just like so. The purpose is that as this unit is creating cold air, it creates condensation. The condensation collects at the bottom of the pan and then it runs out and goes outside the home. If this gets clogged up, think about like your coffee pot or other items that get gunk in it. This bleach going down that line helps clear it out and keeps it running more efficiently. Also, if it gets blocked up, then the unit stops running, and that's not good for anybody. All right, so we can come out and clear it, but just again, a little simple maintenance will help you keep this unit running more efficiently and make sure you have cold air, especially here it is in October and it's still 95 degrees. So Wayne with Right Property Group, thanks for checking us out. We'll talk to you soon.